Hello, my name is Andrew, and I'm a psychotherapist. And together with my friend and colleague Michael, we're here to help people who experience, amongst other things, anxiety, worry, fear, doubts, lacking in confidence. And we want to help them to regain control of the way that they think and to enjoy life. We can work with individuals or groups, and we can give seminars and workshops, as well as talks. All our sessions are signed. And to find out more, please contact us via our email address. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.